Okay, so let's look at that. That versus which. Okay, so that is for specific clauses which bring important information to the listener. Okay, the dogs that are white are excited. Those dogs are specifically excited. I have tea that is very hot to drink. That is hot. It brings more information to light. It's a way of introducing new information. That is a way of introducing more information. I have tea that is hot. How cool is that? How cool is that? But which, however, which is for non-specific clauses. Just information in general. Information in general, which brings non-essential information to the listener. Okay. The dogs, which are white, are excited. Those dogs are excited. They just happen to be white. Okay, very good. I have tea which is in a mug from Mexico. I have tea which is in a mug from Mexico. Yeah, very good. I drink 4 mugs of tea every day. 2 of which are here. That's it. 2 of which are here. 1 and 2. How cool is that? How cool is that? Very good. Very good. Let's think. One more for that. So, I drink a lot of water because that is very healthy. Or I drink a lot of tea because that is very healthy. Yeah. Nice subtle difference. It depends on how important the information is. Important information, that. Which, oh, by the way, which. I like that one, which is the taller one. I need that one because that has the zips. I drink the tea because that's healthy. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? The dogs that are white are excited. Those dogs specifically. The dogs, which are white, are excited. Those dogs just happen to be white, and they're excited. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.